guys, today we are making a video with my friend called Emo for some reason. So right now we are playing a Backroom game. So like we have to like join this level, I guess. Friend, follow me. Alright, we went into the lobby, into the thing. I know thing. Well, like now we are in the Backrooms. Right. So right, let's go. Alright, bro.
Let's go.
Alright, bro, follow me. Just
I can't see.
follow me.
I can't see anything, bro. Just wait.
What the fuck?
This loading screen is not good.
Bro, just bro,
Wait, I
don't
see
need
black.
the teacher tutorial how to
Wait.
move. Jesus.
You let's go. Where are we going?
We are
We
in the
found
back
no
room.
clip to
We're in
reality.
the back
Hello,
room.
viewers. We're no clipped into reality. I picked it.
Bruh. It's not click back to reality. Bang! Alright guys, so alright, let's wanna find the exit. This place is like a
Where are you? Where are you, bro? Where are you?
Bro,
Where are
you
you,
blind? Alright guys.
bro? Bro?
Now we are gonna like this is my first time playing this game. I just searched up the backrooms and then I just found this piece of shit.
Bro,
So
this stupid shit on a black.
trying to find the exit subdue. And yeah. So now we have to just run forever. Wait, bro.
Yeah, bro, you have my charger. You have my charger.
I think I found something.
Okay, that's fine.
I found
If
something.
you see someone that is pale and dark ass like you.
Wait, bro. What is this white thing? It looks kind of weird, bro. Come. Let's step on it.
Look up, bro. That is the light ceiling.
Or we are touching it. Enough. Let's not click. Bro, how are we gonna exit back, bro? How are we gonna exit back? Like, actually, bro.
Yo, bro, you forgot to charge at home. Because I need to charge my phone in this charging pole that it looks suspicious. And I carried the phone.
Did you get out of here? It just looks like it. Oh yeah, bro, I forgot to mention there are also entities in this place.
Yeah, I know, bro. I paid. Please.
Wait, bro, let me send you something. I'm gonna send you something.
What?
I'm gonna say you something. POV, us right now.
Let me check on this girl.
That's right now, us. POV, us right now.
We see them dancing.
Oh yeah, guys. Yeah, bro. If you want to add me on Discord,
They hit the grenade.
Yeah, I accept everyone.
They hit the grenade.
So if you guys add me. I'm not like those stupid YouTubers that you have to wait 3 years for them to accept your friend request. Just send me your friend request and bang, I'm gonna add you.
Where are you?
Wait, let me DM my friend again. Bro, look at this. POV, us right now. That's us right now.
Where are they crabs there?
How the fuck do we exit? Wait, bro.
You make the crabs, bro.
Yo, bro, look how it looks when I like get a sensitivity that's very high. Let me show you how it looks.
You bro.
Wait, bro, how does it look in your game?
I just saw something. I
did you
didn't.
go?
Yeah.
Bro, where did you go?
You saw something. You saw something. Bruh. Next. Oh wait, the ends.
Where did you go, bro? I don't see you.
Find the fucking next.
I don't see you, bro. I do not see you.
Check where am I?
I do not see you.
I see you. Look behind you. Good.
I don't see you.
Brother, look behind you.
Who's this guy? Who is this guy?
It's me, the idiot.
Hello?
Just joking.
Bro, let's find out like a obby to play. Like something fun.
Nah.
Because
There
all you
we
do in
go.
this game is just wait a lot. So let's just play an obby game, bro. Trust me, bro. It's
Nah.
gonna be fun, bro. Join me. Join me. Yes!
That's it. That's it.
Exit! Yes!
Hey, bro.
Finally! We exited!
What? Is
Bro,
this
where
the
the
exit?
fuck are we, bro?
Let's go
What
back.
is this
Let's go
avatar?
back. Let's go
Bro,
back.
what is this avatar, bro?
Let's go back, please.
Wait,
Please,
bro,
let's
look,
go
look,
back.
look, look, look. Look at my
Please.
screen share.
Please, let's go back, bro. Please, bro.
Who's this guy? Who's this emo piece of shit?
I'm gonna kill you with a knife.
Bro, bro,
I
bro,
have a knife.
bro, bro. Join me. Join me. This is gonna be fun.
You.
Join me, bro. This is gonna be fun. Trust me, bro. This is gonna be fun. It's gonna be like fun, bro. I'll wait for you to join.
Hey, bro.
Join.
Join.
Join. Join, 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 join. Join. You better join right now. Yeah, good boy. I wait, bro. Follow me, bro. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Don't look at that. It's just the avatar.
Follow me. Follow me.
Can't get into there.
Click on this button.
Can't get in there.
Bro, click on the button.
What button, bro? What button?
This one.
Oh, this one.
I'm trying to push you in the
Maybe I need to respawn, bro. I need to respawn.
Just come in the room and click on E. Nah, bro, I'm doing the obby without you. Alright, guys, now I'm gonna show you my skills. Wow, that was a really great skill. Wow. So let's try. Let's get this bad boy over. Alright. Let this guy leave. Bro, join back. Bro, join back. Join back. Join back. Yeah, that's what they fought. That's what they fought, baby.
Bro.
Wait, guys.
Be master. Let's go, bro. Let's go. Where are you, man?
Alright, I'm back, guys. So, we are doing the subject, but it was kind of boring. Wow.
Fair, bro.
Like, in that, like, thing, we can, like, do nothing. But in this bad boy, we can do this trick.
Beat the obby and
Wait,
watch this.
bro, Billy. Bro, look at this glitch. Did you know that if you turn on shift lock and come here and jump and turn around?
Like this.
Wow.
I did one. Yes, I did one.
Oh, bro, like, that was crazy, bro. Like, you first have to go to settings then turn the first setting on, and then you'll be able to use shift lock, and that's how you wall hop.
Okay.
But
Fast set.
like the first setting, turn it on.
Shift lock switch off. On. Okay.
And then just
What
come to a wall and
What do I
jump
press?
and
What do I
turn
press?
around.
What do I
Let me
press?
teach you. Let me teach you how to do it. Come
Wait.
next to a
How
wall,
do I?
jump,
How
and
do
just
I
do this.
press shift lock?
And then just keep doing it on a wall, and you'll do wall hop.
Wait, bro. How do I shift lock?
Just click on the shift that's next
Shift
to
button.
CTRL on your keyboard.
Oh.
And that's how to turn on. So, alright guys,
Is
watch
it
this.
that?
Watch this
Is it
skill.
the circle?
Watch this guy. Watch guys this skill. Watch this. Bang. And now let's count. Wow, bro, that was so good.
Okay, this is good.
Alright.
Bro, I am the worst person. Bro,
Let's just
yo, bro.
let's just like play lobby, bro.
Quite a hobby.
Wait, bro, let's do a race, bro. Join my private server. Join my private server. And let's do a race, bro.
Just left, bro. Just join quick. I already left.
Bro, jump.
Brother, get inside the game.
Bro.
Brother,
Why this
why should I ever
Why do I
Get
need the damn
game?
server for that gay private
Get in the
server?
game, bro. Get in the game.
I just said to check Alright, bro. Can you join me? Join me. Since I can join my private server, let's join
You're not in a game.
Bro.
Dude.
Mother.
Dude.
Bro.
Dude.
We need like, be that.
What again?
Just join me, bro. Just join me, bro. Just join me. Wait, bro, I'm actually gonna click on it. Look.
Wait, no.
I can actually.
Where's over chat?
It's not. Wait, bro, you wanna know what happens when you click on this button? Look what happens, bro, when you click on this button.
Which button?
Absolutely nothing.
Bro. Oh my
That's the
god.
thing. And that's the thing, I've been scared. Alright guys, now I'm gonna invite my brother to the video. Alright, now, okay, he's been invited to the video. Alright, he first needs to open his tablet and join us on Roblox.
I already did this before you said.
And then we have to like race. And the one who
Wait, do Roblox. I want to play something else.
and the one who
My friend.
Spell,
How much
hey,
is
can you spell something scary? Spell 666.
Being the sleeping on the street. I'm being dead.
sorry guys for my brother can sometimes be quite annoying, so yeah, sorry.
Yeah, bro.
Let's do
Yeah, bro.
this bad boy as
I'm
Yeah,
not a
bro.
bad boy. You're a bad boy.
bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Yo.
I feel.
Wait,
I'm in
bro,
the
wanna
joke.
play like Spelling Bee? Wanna play Spelling Bee?
I did a glitch.
Play Spelling Bee!
Who?
Play Spelling Bee in my private server.
Where are you, bro?
Join me,
Left
bro.
again.
Join me, bro.
Super easy.
Alright
You
guys,
live
it's
in
gonna
game,
be
you
really
live
fun
in
again. Bro, join me.
again.
Because like, there's a very hard word you can get. So, yeah, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be only hard for me because this little bro won't get the word. But I'm the one that keep getting.
Your next word is ball.
I'm just.
Bro, you're six.
No, that's so.
All right, spell gold.
Gold. Gold.
O-L-D. Gold.
All right, guys. So.
Bruh, he spelled the gold here. Wait, did the guy spell goldie?
All right, so.
All right, try spelling bird.
Easy as fuck.
Bruh,
Spell two.
D-O-O-O. D-O-O.
You spelled goldie?
All right, can you spell suck?
I'm not stupid. I could still.
Please spell cup.
Please spell Chugga.
Please spell baby. Spell jog. Your next word is four.
Bro, it's easy as fuck.
Please spell ink. All right, try spelling zoo.
Z-O-O.
All right, spell eat.
E-A-T. No, this is not
Your next word is blue.
my brother just.
Next up, milk.
Ducky!
I'm sorry, I need to change my
Spell I.
What did it say? What did it I'm back.
I'm the way. Can you jump off the map? Let me jump off the map.
Alright, I'm gonna go first. What's this?
Your word is bar.
Easy as fuck.
Flying.
Spell pan.
Yeah, bro, don't worry. If you get the hard word, I have it in the chat. Bro, you actually don't speak English.
Oh, not that.
Nah, bro, since you don't know how to spell English, you don't.
Yes.
Wait, bro, you see this ducky?
Huh?
All right, spell red.
Bro, look. there's
All
a
right,
ducky.
can you spell bad?
Shut up.
Spell hat.
H-A-T.
I'm back.
Can you spell tag? Can you spell sun?
You son of a son.
Yes,
Piece
I
of
am.
shit. Alright, I'ma click on the ducky. Wait, brother. Let me find you the ducky.
I didn't buy a
Please spell cat.
Wait,
Wait, what did it say?
All right, try spelling mom.
Bro, brother, I'm actually gonna kick you.
All right, spell water. Next up, book.
I hate rivals. I hate playing
Squishy race.
Don't click race, it's not a squishy. It's a squishy dumpling. And my dumpling is better.
Alright, guys. Bye. See you later. Bye.